stepping on my toes. Back up off me, take your hands off me. Give me room to breathe. I'm not hearing it, I'm not fearing it. I'm up to my ears in it. Bullshit, I'm destructive. So women find that seductive. Some say it's lunacy. Reluctantly, I've been moving on. I ignore you. Sorry if I bore you. I neglect you. Don't mean to disrespect you. Can't you see? I love you dearly and not sincerely, but you annoy me. You can't avoid me. I'm here to stay forever and ever in a day that's never. I can't let you go. I can't forget it. Why you did it? I won't permit it. I wanna quit it. I wanna fight you. I fucking bite you. Can't stand